So what to choose now?
Hmm. Take fabric knitting. So in this
Okay.
unit, we will do fabric knitting. You will do
Okay.
printing or embroidery in this unit?
No.
Okay, fine. Okay, click on address. The bottom you have the address button. Click. In the company here, just above, you can see company, no? Select S Biotex. Click OK. Oh, country. You can scroll up. Okay, so here, scroll up, please. Scroll up. Okay, country. Below email, you can select country. India. Click OK. Why it is asking for a state in address? One moment.
Like WhatsApp the right. Then I will go to
What's up now?
computer screen sheet.
Okay, we have saved the unit. Can you create another unit, S Biotex production or stitching unit?
Yes.
Okay, here SBP or some other, again unit, bottom, here, location Ludhiana. Okay, register, this will change it as unregistered. Just wait 1 minute. Yeah. So it is production, polypacking. Yeah, that's all. So please go back to process order.
Purchase.
Correct, correct. Process
Domestic.
domestic, regular, add, yeah, D4, or we can use F8 and filter, or you can scroll down and select fabric, D4, D4. So your order number is D4, yeah, tab, okay. Vendor, instead of vendor, you select unit here on the right side. Now you click on the unit field, so S Biotex Nation tab, okay. Put your focus on the comments button and press F4. Press F4. So this is the knitted fabric that you will get after knitting. You can select it.
All.
Whichever you want to do the knitting.
Okay. Single jersey any. Yes. Now.
Okay, press F4 again. Bottom here the raw materials.
Okay.
This is the
Wait.
finished goods. So you have the click raw materials.
Raw material.
So raw materials is from the BOM, it takes the raw material. So you are giving 1.6 kg yarn and 2.4 kg of another yarn, and then you are getting the finished goods. Now, bottom here, the finished goods button. Please click that.
Okay, so in that case, we just only click on the means we just click on add, just choose the put the
Finished
name
goods.
over there.
Yes.
Is it? And then after selecting the unit or the company, then coming on the comments section, and then
Yes.
press F4. From F4, we just choose which fabric we want to knit.
Yes.
After knitting, after selecting that, we just click on this raw material. Raw material will automatically come over there.
Come from this bill of material. We already made the BOM. No, from there it
Yeah.
will come.
Okay. So after only there is just a clicking process in this
Uh,
process.
Please repeat that. I didn't hear you clearly.
I'm saying that in this process order, we do not want to insert the keys any or insert any you can say text over there. It is automatically comes. We just choose the button like drag and drop.
Correct. Correct. It will come automatically
It will
because
come
this
automatically.
relationship you have already defined in the bill of materials. You have defined it.
Okay.
Okay. Click on that finish goods button.
Okay.
Now you enter the knitting price. How many 20 rupees or 30 rupees per kg? How much knitting price you can?
Where?
Process price.
Okay. Now,
Okay. Now you select the delivery date when it has to be delivered. Okay. Then it is your own unit, so there is no tax. We have actually, if it is vendor, you have to create the SAC number for that process. Service accounting code, SAC number.
okay.
For unregistered, you don't need a SAC number. Okay. Now where it has to be shipped to, it has to come to Fabric Warehouse. If you no need for next vendor, just click OK and save this.
Okay.
So yes, allow it. Yes, you allow it.
So it's done for maybe process order.
No, wait. Click no. Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, click yes. I will explain.
Okay.
So you have to put the company logo. So that will come here. This
Okay.
fabric knitting order. You are creating a knitting order. If it's vendor, it will come as instead of S Biotech knitting, it will come like Adi knitting or the vendor name will come.
Okay.
And the details will come here. This is the unique PO number. It is a process PO, so it is 2122 PP3, third
Okay.
process PO. It is made for only one order, so it shows regular. If it is made for more than one order, it will show combined.
Okay. So there is a one more thing. Composition scheme is also there. What is that one?
That is again one government of India categorization of the business. Whether it is a registered company means it will have PAN number and GST.
Okay.
Unregistered company will not have PAN or GST.
Okay.
Composition scheme is some government subsidized business, I think. I don't know what composition scheme is. Maybe your finance person can tell you better.
Okay.
Some other party whom you are dealing with, if they are composition scheme, then certain tax exemptions are available.
Okay.
So if you want to categorize that party as composition, you can put it as composition in stage.
Okay.
Okay. Now this is the knitting order. For your internal knitting order, you don't need to print this. They can see directly on the screen in the stage system. But externally, if you want to give a PO, you can knitting order like this.
Okay.
How much finished goods you are expecting? What is the price? And what is the raw materials you are giving? Okay. If you don't want to show the raw material, you just hide raw material.
Okay.
So knitting quantity will show you, the price will show you. So you ship to Fabric Warehouse, bill to S Biotech. Okay. We have not enabled approval for knitting order. You have to decide and tell me whether you approve for purchase order, you need approval for knitting order. then we will enable it in the main database.
Okay, purchase order and net.
Service order. This is process order.
Okay, process order and purchase order. Okay.
So this is CP3. So you have done what is now the knitting. Similarly, we have to do the decatizing order and then fabric dyeing order. Those things we'll have to make it.
Okay.
So, but later on you can do that. I will jump to the other aspect.
हेलो हेलो तो जो एफआईआर लॉक करवाया था हमने उसकी कॉपी किसके पास है? मुझे आपको दे दिए
So in this,
जो आपके पास एक फाइल है, सॉरी आपकी गाड़ी में है ना?
So in this order D4, you can see D4. You have done the fabric knitting order. So next you have to do stentering, decatizing, fabric dyeing. Okay, these are all fabric process before production can start.
Okay.
Understood? Right now we have done fabric knitting, stentering, decatizing, fabric dyeing. You have to create the unit or vendor name and allot that process and then do that.
Pardon me?
See, for the stentering, decatizing, and fabric dyeing, we have to, in the address module, we have to choose which party is doing that, and that in the process list, we have to select stentering and these processes.
Okay, so now see na, we just create one for knitting. So let me create another for some other thing. So it will be clear for us also that how we can create this process order.
Okay, then create the party for stentering and decatizing.
Okay. There is a party is also there. Swami Textile Unit 2 is also there. So we
Okay, then you take it in modify menu.
Okay.
Go to address, modify.
Go to address. Okay. Close. Exit. Exit. Address. Modify.
Vendor, it's a vendor or unit? It's a unit, I think.
Unit.
Scroll down. Tab.
This is.
Yes. Go to the process list. No, material purchase, you remove that. Double click on material purchase, it will go to the left side. No. On the material purchase, click save. Double click on the material purchase. No, it's opening like this. Or you drag and drop. Click. No, one second. Can you click on the word material purchase and double click on it? Still.
It automatically comes like this.
Okay. Select and no, please leave control. I will do that.
I'm leaving it.
Oi. Okay, here bottom you see the delete process, no? I delete it like that. Huh? Okay, you select decatizing, stentering.
We can choose fabric dyeing is also there.
All three you can choose.
Okay. Fabric dyeing.
So unit 2 will do decatizing. Stentering.
Stentering to karte hain. What is decatizing generally?
I don't know. Only Mr. Ashish made that entry. Can you check with your team? I don't know.
Okay. Washing and stentering is also they can done.
Yeah.
Then trimming, dyeing, trim.
1 minute. Yeah, you can go to address and save that. Hello.
Okay. Finishing. Fabric printing.
Morning, sir. Sorry, sir.
ठीक है बस ये
बोलें sir. కొంచెం సార్ ಇಲ್ಲ ಓಕೆ
प्रोसेस ऑर्डर किया उसमें हमने
ನಮ್ಮ डील
मीटिंग का प्रोसेस ऑर्डर करके दिया बना के
कोऑर्डिनेट करने की सलाह
हमारा मतलब हमें भी थोड़ा सा हैंड ऑन हो जाएगा ना एक्सपीरियंस क्यों कैसे किया या तो भी हमने
சார் நம்ம ஆஃபீஸ்ல காமேஷ் இல்ல சார்ட்ட கொஞ்சம் பேசுங்களேன் சார் நான்
बहुत सारी थी प्रोसेस ऑर्डर में क्या था मल्टीपल मीटिंग के लिए किया अब हमने क्या किया चारों हमने चूज कर लिया उसमें
ஃப்ரீயா இருந்தா நான்
एड्रेस
உங்களுக்கு
इसलिए
அப்புறம்
क्या है
கான்டாக்ட்
क्योंकि
பண்ணேன்.
एड्रेस
ஒரு
में
மணிக்கு
मैं
மேல
उस
ஃப்ரீ
यूनिट को
ஆயிடுவேன்,
वो
நான்
चीजें
கூப்பிடுறேன்.
देना चाहता था कि यूनिट ये करता है,
ஹலோ.
अब वो यूनिट को मैंने दे दिया, अभी वही चीज कर रहा है।
Please save. Click OK and save.
डायरेक्टली सेव।
Save. Click. I think all in. No, that companies should be selected. No, second. Company is no. That's all. Okay. Click OK. Save. Done. Already you have given the PAN number, so it got saved automatically. Now you can make POs for knitting. Sorry, for decatizing, stenting, and fabric dyeing
Okay,
for the same unit.
so it comes under regular also, na?
It comes under regular. Suppose you have two orders doing the same process with the same vendor, you can use company. Shivam, hello.
Yes, yes.
You can do one order under combined also. You want to try that? Go to combined.
Yes, yes, we can.
Go to combined. Instead of two orders, you can use one order also in combined. You do combined with one order. Click combined
Okay.
so that you'll have an idea how combined works. Click
Yes.
combined.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Now click add. Select process as which one you want to do, decatizing or stenting. Scroll down.
Stantering is also we can.
Yeah. Stenting. Yeah. Filter. So okay. You know which buyer we made this order?
Redesign था but
Wondrous, no? So Wondrous, I think. Or you do one thing. Do one thing. Delete that whatever you have typed. Please delete. Just click show all. Bottom. So this is the stenting. Our order is D4, no? So first two lines is D4, 3, D4, then comes D3. So we are interested, if you want to combine D4 and D3, you can give the quantity on the right side, order now quantity. So for stenting, there are three fabrics. First row, D4, single jersey 30 NE. Then second row, cotton polyester, cotton fleece 2T 280. Third row, again cotton polyester 2T 280. What difference is this? This is C20, that is C20 NE. So if you're going to use only this order, you have to give the order now quantity here. If you double click here, it will come set. Or you can manually type in the quantity, how much you want to order.
Okay.
And when you type the quantity here, it will come, a red mark will come. That means in this process order, this item is selected.
So quantity should be in kgs.
Yeah, that is in kgs only.
Okay.
Hello.
संडे को बुला देना संडे.
Yes, madam.
3 किलो ना दे 200 किलो दे.
Hello.
Required 1.4. जड़ा दो.
ஸ்டேஷன்ல இருக்கேன். நான் ஃப்ரீ ஒரு half an hour கழிச்சு பேசுறேன். Yeah, so you can enter the quantities 3.15, 51, and then 56.
So
yeah, hello.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah, please enter the quantities 3.15 or double it there, the quantity will set. Okay, this is your finished goods quantity.
So let me create it for D3 also, na?
D3 also you can create.
Yes.
So that means different items, not the same item. If it is same item, you will club the quantities together.
Okay.
Now click OK.
Yes.
Yes, click yes. So quantity is set. You click unit here at the top. You can click unit and select Swami Textiles.
Okay, Amit. इनसे एड्रेस ले ले इनके
हाँ,
पास ये जो आगे बैठे हैं सुदर्शन जी। हाँ
ओके
खोलना उसमें होगा नॉन कमर्शियल में।
हाँ, then delivery date.
ओके why okay it's working delivery date
No,
will give
no, 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 I mean take some nearer date. No, it will cross the order date. Order
17
uh, 17 December, not
okay अच्छा दिसंबर
take November only.
yes
Okay.
17 हाँ
Okay, bottom you have the um, raw materials button. Can you click on that raw materials?
Hmm.
So for the finished goods that you have selected, system will calculate the raw materials from the BOM. Okay. Now again you select finished goods. This is the raw material, five raw materials.
okay
Because stentering there is no change, only the process gets added. The item code will remain the same. Click raw material. Okay, finished goods has come. Now give the price for the stentering. How much per kg? So this is your own unit. You don't need price. Fine.
so for example we'll give 10 no problem
No problem. Then you do one thing. Right click on
yes
set same price for all items. 10. Okay. Okay. Then other delivery info here. It is your own unit, so no tax.
yes
Okay. So here, ship to
Warehouse.
fabric warehouse, bill to S Biotex. That's
yes,
all.
yes.
You click OK and save this process order. Process order number is PP4. You can see at the top.
yes BA नहीं बनाना बॉर्डर रेडी की बारी आता है कुड़ी नो कहंदा सी ना यही कह रहे सी ना सीसी के वजह से मैं बोला गधा है ये
Just click no.
sorry
Yeah,
no
you can, no. Print this PO, yes.
हाँ बंदा गधा ही है जेड़ा बोलदा किसी दे बारे च
So this is your stenting order. Making from S Biotex, you are sending it to Swami Textiles Unit 2. Okay, and PO number is PP4. Now PO type is combined.
yes
There are two orders involved. It becomes combined. And it shows buyer order 1 and 2, 3, and 1, 1, 2, 3. Then two styles, SBTS 06 and SBTS 11 are involved.
yes
Order number is D4 and D3.
yes
Okay, you can scroll down. First you are seeing the finished goods, then you are seeing the raw materials.
raw material hide भी कर सकते हैं यहाँ से
Okay, you hide raw materials. There is one process order annexure. I don't know what it is. Can you click on it? Annexure will show what is this. But it will give the order wise breakup. So D4, what is the items? D3, what is the item? Annexure. This for your internal purpose only. You don't need to give that to your vendor. Okay, so this is your process order.
okay
Okay, so it is the same thing. Instead of unit 2, you can give it to some other vendor also.
okay
Okay, so you have done the knitting order, you have done the stentering order. Similarly, you will have to do the decatizing and fabric order. We will do that later.
okay if suppose if suppose I'm giving this order but somehow that party may be rejected or by any other means they said that we are not going to process the order, so how we can modify that entire thing
There will be it can happen in two cases. You are giving, let us say, 500 kgs. They are saying I have no capacity, I will do 200 kgs, 300 kgs you take back, they will say.
yes
What you have to do is, because they might say after doing the material. Okay, suppose you have given 500 kgs to the party. Then in inventory module,
okay
you have to take issue return of the goods first.
okay
Suppose you have given 500 kg, They are saying, I will do 200 kgs, 300 kgs, it is not possible.
Hmm.
So you take 300 kgs, issue return from here.
Okay.
After that, you go to purchase process order.
Okay.
After that, you come to the process order and reduce the quantity to 200 kgs.
Gate failure.
Okay, so
Yes. Yes.
you reduce it to 200 kgs. Okay,
Okay.
then you make one more process order for the 300 kgs to a different party. System will not allow you to make 300 kgs to another party without taking the goods return.
Okay.
So you have to make a goods return entry, then only you have to do a process order for another party.
Okay.
So that's how it is done. We have not gone into the stores module yet. After this, we can go to the stores module.
Okay. Okay. If suppose there will be some other cases, they directly reject that I'm not able to perform your
Oh. Hmm.
order. So
Uh,
how?
if, then you take complete return of the goods.
Yes.
Then click cancel and cancel the PO.
Okay. Cancel. Then cancel. Then
Yes.
select that PO number and then cancel. Okay.
Yes. Suppose you have not given the goods at all,
Yes.
then you can go delete the PO itself.
Okay.
But if you want a record, you can cancel. But if you don't want a record, you can simply delete and check the PO, make a fresh PO.
Okay. Okay.
If you do a cancel, then you can still make a fresh PO.
Okay.
But the important thing is the goods, if you have issued it, you have to take return and then cancel. Delete it also, you have to take return and do the delete.
Okay.
So system will validate. If goods is given, you cannot delete. If goods is already given and issued, then you cannot cancel. You have to take return and then cancel.
Okay.
Right. Fine. So all the services we do under purchase. One second. Can you build the taskbar? Yeah. Okay. So this is service. Let us do a production order.
Okay.
Sticking
So
order.
what is general over there?
Generally is there is no order. You are just for the season you are making. Let us say you want to keep a single jersey. You want to knit single jersey and keep it in bulk. Then you can do a general process order.
Okay.
So in general process there is no order selection. Just you select the item, put the quantity for the raw material and put quantity for finished goods and make a general process order.
Okay. Maybe that is not against any order.
It is not against any order. It will. There is no BOM link. You have to give
Oh.
the quantities both for. You have to select the item, give the raw material quantity. You have to select the finished goods item, give the finished goods quantity.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, it will not link to any BOM. After you do the processing, then you can allocate it to any BOM.
Okay.
Right?
Yes.
Same case with the general purchase also.
Yeah,
Without
we
any
got
link to,
we got that. If the general is there, so the function of the general should be same for all the.
correct. Correct.
Yes.
Okay. Now we will do what is called a work order, which is purely a stitching order.
Okay.
Uh,
What is
all
the
other
order?
all other activities other than work order will come under process order. Okay. Now work order we will do for D4. Can you click on regular?
Okay.
So even without receiving the material, you can do all this order based on the BOM. You can do these orders.
Okay.
Right now we have not received material. We have not issued a material. Still we can do this orders. Click add.
So in work order we have to receive the order. After that we can do the things.
In work order you are creating a stitching order.
Okay.
Okay. So you are clicking on add. Select your style D4 or F8 and select whichever. Tab. Select your unit. You can give it to a vendor also, but vendor you have to select production. Select unit. Click on the unit. Yes, Biotex production. Okay, tab. Select delivery date. So this is basically a planning team or the merchant who's giving the instruction to production department how and when it should be done. So
Okay.
see, you have two colors, light gray, bottom and top. Okay. See, you can make one work order for both the components. Suppose bottom you are doing in-house and top you are doing with a vendor, then you can ignore the bottom because components will be produced separately and then assembled together. Okay, so bottom separately you can give a, see here you have option, you will enter the order now quantities. Suppose you are stitching both in your own factory and you can use the set option. Click set, the quantities will set here. And let us say if you are using this percentage per option, then see if there is only one color. If there are multiple colors, you are ordering only one color, you can select the color and give the percentage option. How much percentage of that particular color you are ordering.
Okay.
One more thing is if you are different delivery dates, then you can select quantity of which delivery date is required. Let us say you have this delivery date 6th November, sorry, 20th November. Like that, if you have different dates like 20 December or 1st January, then you can select which quantity you are going to make a production order. For that alone, the work order will be created. You understood?
Yes.
Okay. Now you have selected the finished goods, which is the garment, light gray garment, SBTS style, 35 plus 35 plus 35, 105 pieces. Okay, if you give allowance, then maybe you can. System will allow. There is no allowance given, so it is not allowing 35. Okay. Now you can click on raw materials button so that all the raw materials required for this garment production will come.
Okay, so all these items that means raw material finished good automatically will come while I'm getting the order.
From the BOM it comes. In the BOM you have given this consumption, sewing thread like this.
Yes, yes.
Okay, that is your planned consumption.
Okay.
Okay, after pilot production, after let us say after producing some 10 or 15 pieces, you think this consumption is required more or less, you can edit the work order consumption. See, this is the work order consumption. In your plan, you have put 0.03 kgs per garment. Let us say your work order, you think 0.025 is sufficient, you can give that there.
Sorry.
See, in the BOM, you have taken consumption as 0.03. First row.
Yes, yes.
Suppose after stitching 10 pieces or 20 pieces, you think this consumption can be increased or decreased, you can give that consumption here, 0.03. You can increase and then recalculate the fabric requirement or trims requirement.
Okay.
Right?
So how we can recalculate this thing?
No, when I give the changed consumption, see, let us say this is 0.49. Instead of 0.49, I need only 0.45. You just type 0.45 here.
Yes.
Okay, that is one method. Another method is press F2 for fabric consumption, F2. So when you press F2, can you press F2 there? So it will open up here and then you can give the revised consumption here. 30 grams, you can give 25 grams or like that.
Okay.
So this is your production consumption. This is your merchandiser consumption. All consumption. Okay. I'll close. And then click apply here. So this will be considered and all the raw materials will show up here. So what are all raw materials that you have, it will show up here. Then you can do finished goods. In case you are giving to vendor, then you can give the rate. How much rupees? 80 rupees per garment or 40 rupees stitching per garment. You can enter it here. This is the rate if you are giving it to a vendor. Internally, you don't need to put a rate. And then here, if you're giving it to a vendor, you can select tax code, ship to which warehouse, garment warehouse you have to create it and select it here. Okay. Now here you can see at the top, WP1, work order for production 1, WP1. This is your stitching order. Okay.
Hello? Yes, yes.
So this will have a unique PO number. All POs will have a unique number. Metal purchase will have FP, fabric purchase, TP, tools purchase, process purchase. For all process purchase, it will be PP. For work order alone, for stitching order alone, it will be WP1, WP2, like that.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, here you are handling two components. You are clubbing together and making one work order. Okay, just click OK to save this work order. Okay.
Delivery date is I should do it.
Yeah, click yes.
Delivery date thing.
Currency, you select INR above. INR. Yeah, click OK. Yes. No. No. Yes, yes, sorry. Okay, close here. Go to the print menu at the top.
Okay.
Yeah, click on the list button. Right side, right side. Select this row WP1 and click detail at the bottom. No, click no, please. Yeah, so this is your work order printout. So from the top, you see as Biotex, work order is given to Swami Textiles Private Limited. Okay, so total quantity is 210 pieces. So 210 pieces, 102 plus 102 plus allowance. Can you scroll down? So these are the raw materials required for production.
Hmm.
1 minute, 1 minute. Please leave control.
Howdy. Yeah.
So it gives the fabric details.
ये खाली है ब्रो, खाली नहीं जिसमें वो डाटा है। कौन सा डाटा है? फोटो फोटोग्राफ वो तो इंटरनेट पे चढ़ाई हुई है मैंने, कुछ जरूरत ही नहीं। पेन ड्राइव है उसकी, प्रिंट आउट लेंगे। प्रिंट आउट लेना, वो प्रिंट आउट किस चीज का लेना है? फोटोग्राफ चाहिए उसमें, फोटो नहीं थी उसमें, फोटो नहीं थी उसमें। चलो मेरे पास वही था, फोटो नहीं थी उसमें। इसमें क्या है देखता हूँ, ये रखो जरा। 1 second.
Yeah, no problem. Yeah, just give 2-3 minutes, I'll be back.
Okay. घड़ी पा लिया, टाइम तो सही नहीं है।
क्यों?
इसमें कुछ नहीं है जी। अच्छा, पता है हमको, इसमें कुछ नहीं है। अच्छा, कल 1-2 दिन लग जाएंगे मुझे ना, देखो फ्री होता हूँ करवाता हूँ फिर ये। चलो हैं उस दिन कितना हो
अच्छा ठीक है ठीक ओके
मैं क्या कह रहा हूँ, इसमें कुछ नहीं है। ठीक है जी, रुको जरा, मैं ऐसा नहीं है, मैं अपने पास भी रखता हूँ डेटा। एक सेकंड
है फोटोग्राफ मिल जाए 5-7 दिन से।
एक सेकंड। कहीं एफ फायर लिखा होगा, वो देखना जरा।
सर्च मारो ना।
ये देखो, ये वीडियोस दी,
सारी वीडियो ही है।
मेरे को वीडियो दी थी, फोटो
इसमें से
नहीं।
हम स्टिल निकाल सकते हैं?
नहीं, ऐसे कैसे निकाल सकते हैं, वो
कैप्चर
स्क्रीनशॉट मारना पड़ेगा।
हाँ
स्क्रीनशॉट ना मारना हो। हाँ,
देखो अगर निकलता है तो शायद।
पहले इनसे पूछो तो सही कि कहाँ है वीडियोस में फोटो से। मैं पूछता हूँ, ऐसे थोड़ा ना आ रहा है। मैं पूछ के आया इधर बैठ के।
पूछो जरा, देखूंगा जब तक क्या कर सकते हैं इसको। ये सब टूल्स फैब्रिक ओपनिंग मशीन। जी देखो जरा सा
हाँ, ये वीडियो लेते हैं। ये वाला लेना है, बताते जाओ कौन सा। ठीक तो ही है।
इससे ज्यादा
Yeah, hello.
Just a second.
No issues.
इसी में करता हूँ ना जाके। हेलो।
Yeah, hello.
एक सेकंड, just 1 second.
You want to disconnect and call me again?
Yes, please.
Okay, I'll close and just again once you are ready.
Sure. लाऊंगा तो सीधा समझ आ गया। मैं एक बंदा है नीचे वाला मिलना जरा।
कैसे करना होगा?
कुछ नहीं, प्रिंट स्क्रीन
ठीक है, जाओ।
और इधर नीचे जाके इसको हम थोड़ा वो आगे ना
कोई बात नहीं, वहाँ जाके सेव करना है।
हाँ मिनिमम
कैसे जाके
इसको थोड़ा ये कर लो यहाँ पे पेंट। वो नहीं है, केवल टास्क बार नहीं ना आ रही, तो ये टैब दबा देना, ठीक है ना। यहाँ पे कंट्रोल भी, फाइल, सेव एज, ऑटोमेटिकली आई थिंक डेस्टिनेशन वही रहेगी। हाँ वही है 2, इसको चेंज कर दिया जीपीजी सेव। सारा सुबह सुबह गाड़ी ठुक गई है
आपकी
कुत्ता लगा हुआ है साइड में।
बंद कर दी वो ट्रेनिंग। शिवम गया कहीं?
नीचे ये सारा स्टोर ये सारा स्टोर सी ये सारा स्टोर सी फैब्रिक ओपनिंग मशीन ये डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर पैनल डाइंग एक खराब हो गया है।
पता ही है होगा वो फिर खुद पहला खोला सा देखना है स्विच कराओ यार पैनल पटने में खोल देगा अंदर ये पैनल ऐसे नहीं है, ये एक सेगमेंट का ऐसे सेगमेंट के 5-6 पैनल है, हर मशीनों के अलग अलग पैनल।
सबस्टेशन का भी रखते हैं।
एक यहाँ पर केमिकल स्टोर है, यहाँ पे वेट केमिकल ठीक है।
ये फिनिश और सेमी फिनिश कुछ का और डाउन है। अरे ऊपर मैं करता हूँ। सेगमेंट में ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਪੈਨਲ
डाइंग का एक खराब हो गया उसका। ये डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर पैनल डाइंग का खराब हो गया उसका।
एक वीडियो आपकी चल रही है कोई, छोड़ो दो इसको मत हिलाओ मत। ऑटोमेटिकली पूरा पूरा हुई थी।
ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਹੀ ਹੈ ਸਿਸਟਮ ਸਾਰਾ ਜੋ ਇਹ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਉਹ ਫਿਰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਵੀ ਉਹ ਦੇਖਣਾ सारा देखना है ओके करेंगे फिर पैनल चढ़ा के
इसी वीडियो में ज़्यादा था, बाकी में तो आउटर नहीं हुआ। CP4 देखो ये तो JPG कर दिया ना।
ये इधर दाएं हाथ पे ये नीचे से वो ऊपर से मेजनाइन गिरा है, ये उसकी प्रिंटिंग का हेड है। इस प्रिंटिंग होते थे वो वाला उसका प्रिंटिंग का ड्रायर है। यहाँ पे नीचे इसमें रखा जाता था माल को, यहाँ से कट से
वहाँ से आगे आगे करते चलो, आपको लग जाएगा पता। पेंट बंद है, वैसे मैनुअली टाइप करके करना पड़ेगा पेंट। सुदर्शन जी अल्ट टैप कर से खोलना, अगला अगला बस। अब यहाँ से नेक्स्ट, हाँ यहाँ से नेक्स्ट करते जाओ। रुको करो, वेट अब करो। आपको कंफर्म होता जाएगा बाहर क्या है। जेल ले लो, करबल आगे शायद बाजू ये लो। कंट्रोल Z करो, हाँ उसी पे कंट्रोल Z करके वो बस उसी को सेव कर दो बस। सेव, ठीक है सेव है, नाम चेंज कर दो। यार वो लड़के का कोई जुगाड़ देख लो, बंदा बेचारा पागल हो गया वो ढूंढते मिल नहीं रहा। वो रात तो बथरी वैकेंसी निकली हुई है, यहाँ लगाओ ना यार। हमारे में नहीं है, कौन सी वैकेंसी हमारे में? वैकेंसी ये निकली हुई है हमें तो क्योंकि आपके वो उनको भेजे ना, वो उनको अकाउंट वाला बंदा चाहिए, कोई वैसे उस टाइप वाला बंदा जो वो कर सके। एक्चुअली मैं देखूंगा तो चक्कर है जितने भी चाहिए वहाँ भी चाहिए, अकाउंट वाला बंदा चाहिए, किसी और चाहिए अकाउंट वाला नाम चला हमारे पास ही चाहिए उसको भी। चार्जर लगा तो है, नहीं लगा हुआ, नहीं लगा हुआ, नहीं लगा हुआ। अच्छा ये वीडियो रिकॉर्ड हो रही है ना, उस मोमेंट पे ज़्यादा बैटरी कंज्यूम कर रही है। ये बहन चोदी स्पीकर भी चेंज करने को सारा चार्जिंग ही नहीं हुआ। खाली लाइन तक चलाया ढंग से नहीं और चार्जिंग वाला ऑप्शन इसका चल बसा। हेलो 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 हम्म ठीक है ठीक है। बेंगलुरु के कृषि मेले में पहुंचे 1 करोड़ का सांड खरीदारों में होड़
साला
लगी।
इंसान की कोई वैल्यू ही नहीं है भेड़ी चोद। हैं? कुत्ते की तो सांड की सबकी वैल्यू है, सिर्फ इंसान की वैल्यू नहीं है ना।
सही में। बाहर 50 फुट 50 मीटर थल्ला गई जाने 4 लोग मर गए हिमाचल में किन्नौर। हेलो Chandrasekhar, maybe today it is not possible at this moment because we are arranging some things for our. Maybe you check that on when while I'm sharing that screen, there is a fire incident over there. It happened maybe 3 months or 4 months before. That is our Swami Textile Unit 2. That was. Oh, so we are just taking the infographic information for some investigation purpose. Yes, yes, yes. In evening we can continue. But one more thing I'm asking, this Aarti, she is not picking up my call because I'm trying too many times in the evening for the because told you that we had a schedule with her in the evening, but she didn't even pick up the call, and not even that maybe Vetri is also there. He's also not picking up the information, not the picking of the call, and also not giving any information about the training. Yes, please, please. Okay, 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 yes. Okay, 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 I will. Okay, okay, I'll put the message over there, no problem. But you just confirm that because they're asking while I'm having conversation with those guys now, so they're asking for some information. So I'll share all information what they want. But after that, I didn't get any response from their end that what is the next or how we can proceed. Okay, okay, okay. I'll put the message right now, no problem. 4:30 we can start, no problem. Thank you. Thank you. सुनील कितने हैं क्या कितने सुनील पता नहीं कौन है।
हेलो हाँ जी
बैठ जाओ यार खड़े क्यों हो?
हाँ जी
नहीं नहीं नहीं
हाँ जी हाँ जी हाँ जी बोलिए। अमन बोल रहे
भाई हम एक काम करो फिर 12:30 हो ही गए।
हो? अमन बोल रहे हो? अच्छा हाँ रवि बोल रहे हो। मुझे मैसेज छोड़ दोगे जरा, मैं भेजूँ फिर आपको। हाँ हाँ मैं अभी आप मैसेज छोड़ दो, मैं फॉरवर्ड कर देता हूँ, लड़का भेज देगा आपको। कौन से बिल है वो? हाँ, एक नंबर मैं आपको, आप नोट करो एक नंबर जरा, आप इससे ना कोऑर्डिनेट कर लेना, मैं एक्चुअली ऑफिस में हूँ नहीं। एक नंबर नोट करो आप। आप लोग इसको फ़ोन करके ले लेना, अगर ना आती तो फिर मुझे बताना। 92567। हेलो, 92567 10832 32। नहीं 832, 832, 10 832, 832, 832। हेलो, 92 567 10 832। हाँ जी, ठीक है। कुशल ना आया था, मैंने फोन कर लिया एक बार, ये कोई दिक्कत तो नहीं था।
तो ये
काफी हो गया, ये तो 9 10 तो हो ही गए।
चाय 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 दी नहीं है ना?
महीने की
15 भी कर लो, बहुत है। हाँ हाँ, ना काटने बाद
इतने है ना, ये ज्यादा है, ये स्टॉक ज्यादा बर्फ दिख रहे हैं।
हाँ फोकस। ये क्या है?
ये पहन के दिखाओ।
बैलेंस होली को जमा तगड़ा। इसको आधार पूछता हूँ क्या बोल रहे हैं। कौन सा काट दिया? अभी मैं उससे बात कर रहा हूँ। 5 किलो काट दिया। हो गया वो?
हो गया, फिर ले लिया। अब तरीके करेगा तो बस नहीं है उसकी, हो गया, बहुत हो गए 12 इधर के, बाकी उधर भी था तो डिफॉल्ट
पेन ड्राइव में डाल दो कि कैसे करना, प्रिंट लेना है इनका?
पेन ड्राइव में डाल दो, उसको भेजना है प्रिंट भेजने के लिए।
प्रिंट के लिए भेजना है ना, तो मेल कर देते ना।
फिर वहाँ मेल मोड के चक्कर पड़ेगा ना, फिर यहाँ प्रिंट लगाएगा अलग, कर दे प्रिंट।
चलो तो हम प्रिंट
ये सारे हैं, बाकी आपके इसमें भी है, इसमें भी है। और
अच्छा, पेन ड्राइव में भी सेव कर देंगे, उसी में कर
नहीं
देंगे।
नहीं, मैंने तो डेस्कटॉप पे सेव किए है।
अच्छा, रुको जरा 2 मिनट। डेस्कटॉप तो है ही नहीं चला, ये पिक्चर्स होता है, यही बहुत है। रुक जाओ, वो उधर से भी उठा के 1-2 तो चला ना, ये ऑटो हाइड ना, मैं बहुत गंदा लगता है मेरे को।
इसको रीनेम करना पड़ेगा, रीनेम करना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि वो जेपीजी पहले से ही है।
जेपीजी नहीं, पीएनजी है। आगे ना जेपीजी पीएनजी में फर्क होता है।
अच्छा, मैंने सारी पीएनजी कर दी।
आपने पीएनजी, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, वो खुलेगा, वहाँ पे भी खुलेगा, यहाँ पे कहाँ गई। छोड़ मत आना पेन ड्राइव वहाँ पे आप, साला एक मेरा इन्होंने लिया छोड़ा है, वो गुम कर दिया, मैंने ये रख लिया।
मेरा एक पेन ड्राइव गुम हो गया यार, कहीं यहाँ तो नहीं पड़ा स्टील का होगा?
नहीं, मेरा भी स्टील का था, एचपी का था, इतना लंबा था।
हाँ
मैंने स्पेशल लिया।
मेरा एक्चुअली मेरे ना 15-20 साल के डाटा है इसमें।
मैं अभी मेरा उसमें था नहीं कुछ भी, मैं रखता ही नहीं हूँ, क्योंकि
मेरा मेजर डाटा ही उसी में है, वो गाना गुम हो गया। कितनी बार गुम हुआ और मुझे मिल गया, मुझे आज तक कभी ऐसा नहीं हुआ। कहाँ गया मैं, किसी समझ में नहीं आया।